Alright friends, in this session we will learn the pop method in dictionaries, which is used to remove a specific key value pair by providing the key. So let's do it. I have a dictionary which name is capitals, and then for example I want to remove Canada here. What I need to do, I just come here and then I write capitals and then I write pop. Inside the pop I just give key values. What's my key values? My key value Canada. Super. If I print right now my dictionary, I run it, you see right now Germany, Berlin and England, London. There is no more Canada, Ottawa, because I remove it using pop method. It also returns the value of the removed key. For example, if I assign to a variable this value, let's do it. I can say removed value. For example, if I want to print it, I just come here inside the print function, I write removed value, I run it, you see the value of the removed key. What's that? Ottawa. You see it appears on the screen. If the key here doesn't exist, pop method will raise a key error. Let's do it. I just add 1A and I run it. You see key error appears on the screen. Okay, we can use pop method to remove specific element. Super.